myself is Sagar. Welcome to another video. So as we are solving LeetCode SQL 50, we have solved the first three problems and now we are continuing with the fourth query, that is article view 1. Let's see what the question is. Okay, so it says a table name is views. These are the table names and it has a column name has article ID, author ID, viewer ID and view date. There is no primary key in this table and column with the unique values are not there. Okay, for this table. The table may have duplicate rows. Okay, there are chances of duplicate rows. Each row of this table indicates that some viewer view an article written by some other author. So it's saying that a viewer is there, he views an article that is written by some author. Okay, we have author, we have viewer. Note that equal author ID and viewer ID indicates the same person. So it says that if author ID and viewer ID both are same, then the viewer is a one who has read his own article. That is, he is a author itself. It says that. Now that viewed at least one of their own article. They're saying one of their own article they have seen that. It says that. They might have come and visited more than twice also, but it says if they have read their article, it should come. It says sort by ID in the ascending order. Now let's see the table. We have article ID, author ID, viewer ID, view date. It says 1, 1. Okay, 1. Author is 3. Now author and viewer are there, right? We have to see now 7, 7. It says that the author has itself is a viewer of the article, and another is 4, 4, and again we have 4, 4. So now we can see our output, we need only 4 and 7. So it's saying what we need an author. Okay, we need author who has read its viewer, that is 4, 7. And you see there are duplicates, but he doesn't require duplicate. It required only a distinct value. So let's try to write. Now let's see. First we need to what? We need to select author ID because author is the one who is reading, right? Author ID, it says in output as a ID. So they are aliasing it. So what we say? Alias is nothing but alias. What is alias? Aliasing is nothing but we are giving renaming or saying this should be displayed in the output of the table. So to rename that, what we say? Author ID has whatever we require, that we need alias, we say. Now only we need ID. So this is what we need from what? Table name is views. Okay, from table name is view. Now we need to put a where condition, right? Where, what is a where condition? What should be? Where author ID is equal to viewer ID. Because both are same, right? The author is itself reading is viewer. That's what is been asked. And what we say, and one more clause is asked, right? They have asked to ascend it in the ascending order. Okay. Next, what we should do, order by whatever the ID is there, right? We have to do that. Now, here, another case is in order by, we can't use alias name directly because this is a temporary output we are saying, but actually in the table, the name is author ID. If you say it has ID, right, it will throw an error. If you say order ID as ID, it will throw an error and it won't give. Okay. Now, what we need? We need alias, right? This is the name, author ID. Okay. By author ID, and then we'll run. Now, let's see what's the issue. Now, as I said, duplicate should not come, right? There should be no duplicates. Okay, so we need what? Distinct. So we have something called as distinct. What distinct does? Distinct gives unique values. Okay, unique values. If there are duplicates, it just remove that and give the unique value. So once you run this, and you might able to see the result, accepted results. Okay, the output and required is matched. So far what we in the 4 questions, what all things we have learned? One is operators. About operators we saw, that is or and we saw that, and how to handle null records we saw, that is how you read nulls, we saw that. Okay, and we saw at least case, that is at least is greater or equal to that case we saw. And in this we saw alias, how to do alias we saw, and how to distinct. Okay, these are all things which we use in the select query for filtering or selecting the columns. We able to say we are able to know about first 4 queries only. In this way, the more and more problems we solve, the more and more concept we'll get practice on hands-on. So I hope you understood this query, and I hope you are getting how to solve these questions in the LeetCode. We'll continue this series and we'll see next questions in the next coming videos. Thank you.